Introduction. Hello. So you've completed the tasks. What next? As you have worked through each task, you will have carried out testing to make sure that you have met your success criteria. You will also need to evaluate your work to explain how well you met the success criteria and if there are any improvements that you could make. Testing. As you work through the tasks, take screenshots to show your solutions working, or even not working. This is still testing. We call this alpha testing, testing during development. You need to plan what tests you need to carry out and the data that you will enter. You should make sure that you include valid, invalid and boundary data in your testing. It is a good idea to record this in a test plan. Make sure that you provide evidence that you have tested every task. Be thorough and systematic. For some of the very simple tasks, you will not need a test plan, which will for more complex tasks. Fill in the results of your testing into your plan. You may not solve every problem that you encounter, but it is very important to highlight potential issues. If you think about software used in environments where safety is very important, for example, medical applications, it is really important that testing is thorough and the results carefully recorded in your test log. In the real world, programs are also tested with the end user. This is called beta testing. However, within Unit A452, you need to prove that you have tested your programs. Writing an evaluation. In this section, we will focus on writing an evaluation. Once you have completed the tasks, it is time to reflect on your approach to the tasks and what your test results showed. Maybe testing indicated some flaws and you might need to correct these. It is helpful to think about what went well and maybe how you could have improved your approach, and also what you learned from the exercise, planned or not. You should always refer back to the results of all the tasks. The quality of your written communication is assessed in the testing, evaluation and conclusion section, so make sure that you check that your spelling, grammar and punctuation are correct. Also, try to use correct terminology relating to the topic. Writing a conclusion. Your conclusion should summarise what you have found out by carrying out the practical investigation. You may not have fully achieved the intended outcome, but what did you learn? The brief may ask you some questions that you need to find out answers to. The conclusion is the place where you bring everything together to answer these questions. Again, remember to check your spelling, punctuation and grammar and use of technical terms. You can also really show that you understand the nature of the topic. Make sure that your conclusion is easy to follow and relates directly to your practical investigation. Remember to include a bibliography at the end showing all of the sources that you used in researching the topic. It's a wrap. You will have spent a lot of time working on your practical investigation, so make sure that the report you hand in is well structured and easy to follow. There are lots of ways that you can do this. One of the best ways is by using page numbers and having a contents page at the start. Divide your report into logical sections to present your evidence and end with your conclusions and a bibliography. Be proud of your hard work. Good luck!